Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a Roku streaming device to a TV. This will be a full tutorial with super duper easy peasy instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a Roku Premiere streaming device. I also have actually a computer monitor, but it serves the same purpose as a TV, so we're gonna pretend that this is a TV because the connection is all the same, whether you're connecting it to a computer monitor or to a TV. It's just easier to fit this within the camera frame. I have the power cable for the Roku streaming device, and I have an HDMI cable with an HDMI out on both sides. As you can see right there, there's an HDMI port out on both sides, okay? So you see there's like obviously an HDMI in, which is how you plug the HDMI into it, and then there's the HDMI out, I like to call it, which is the side that sticks out, okay? So let's get right into the video. Now, like I said, this is a Roku Premiere, but you know, if you have a different Roku streaming device, it's probably gonna connect in a very similar way, if not pretty much the exact same thing. So, and if you're ever in doubt, you can consult your owner's manual, but for the most part, they all connect in the same way for the most part. So let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do is you want to bring power to your Roku device. So right here I have the power cord. So one side of this plugs into the Roku device right over there, okay? Just like that. And then on the other side of it is another USB over here, and it goes to a power brick. You would plug this into your wall outlet over there. So I'm going to pretend to plug it in over there because there's no power going to the monitor, so there's no point in plugging in the Roku device. But you would plug this in to your wall outlet, you know, to give power to the Roku streaming device. So let's pretend that we have power, and that's the first connection. Now we need to connect it to the TV in terms of the audio and video. So we now want to get the audio and video from the streaming device to the TV, okay? So what you need is your HDMI cord, okay? I don't know if this is the one that came with the Roku. This is like an extra long one, so I think I used this one as like one that I had already, but yours might be a little bit shorter, a little bit longer, but an HDMI cord is an HDMI cord. They all work in the same way, whether it's a bit longer or a bit shorter. So one end of the HDMI cord will plug into the HDMI out over here. So it's actually like an input, but it's sending the audio and video out from the device. So we're gonna plug one end in like that, and it only goes in one direction because of the shape of it. So we're gonna plug it in like that. There we go. And then the other end is actually going to plug into the TV HDMI port. So like I said, this is a monitor, but a TV is going to have the same thing basically. It might not have these ports, but it's going to have one or more HDMI ports that look like this. So you're going to take your HDMI cord and you're going to plug it into the TV HDMI input, okay? Just like that. Once again, it only goes in one direction. Now, once you've done that, you've connected it to the TV, but it might not display because you have to do a couple simple things. First and foremost, you need to know which HDMI port you plugged it into. Is it HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 55, however many HDMI ports you have, which one did you plug it into? Most likely you're gonna have like 1, 2, or 3 of them, right? So let's just say this is HDMI 2. On your TV, you now need to go to the input setting or the video setting for HDMI 2 or 3 or 1 or 8, whatever number you've chosen, okay? So once you've plugged it in, you now need to go to your TV input setting, your video input setting, to the HDMI port that you plugged it into. That's it. You've now connected your Roku streaming device to your TV. It's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.